Alright YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Mr. Bobby back at you guys in the video. On today's video, we got something different for you guys today because look what I found in the store today. I got the Travis Scott Reese's Puffs and we're about to give these a try. Are these worth the hype? Are these worth $30? That's what people are paying for this. $30 for this box of cereal. I got these for $3.30. $3.30 at my local grocery store. Travis Scott's Reese's Puffs. Here's the box. Travis Scott branding on the front. Reese's Puffs, you know the drill. Then on the back it says, I went to the store and all I got was this cereal box. I think that's what it says, yeah. Cereal box and the Astro World lettering. And it has Travis Scott on the back with the Cactus Jack cereal in the hand. So yeah, I'm about to go break into this and see if these are worth the hype or not. Now a little fun fact. Never had Reese's Puffs before. This is my first time trying them. No, I'm not bullshitting. So let's pop this top open. Hopefully it doesn't go crazy all over the place. And here we go. So first, I'm not sure if you guys have ever had cereal before, but you got to measure your cereal out. So the best way to do it is by using your Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows. Some people prefer the highs. I actually prefer the lows. So we're going to pour some in here. There we go. That looks like a decent amount. So we're going to pour it in here. And instead of ruining my $700 shoes, I'm going to pour them into my plastic bowl here. And I'm going to dump the cereal in there. There we go. Make sure it gets all out. So I measured me a nice serving size, as you can see right there, out of my Travis Scott measuring cup I've used. Now we're going to get our milk. I'm using 1% low-fat milk. So I try to keep it healthy. You can use 2%. You can use skim. You can use whole milk. But today, we're using 1%. Get whatever floats your boat. So here we go. Pour a decent amount in there. And a little hat tip. Do not pour your milk into your cereal first. That's a psychopath move. Always pour the cereal into the bowl first. So here we go. Let's see how these taste. Take a nice spoonful. Okay. Definitely tastes like Reese's. Okay. And here's that chocolate. It's kind of like, it's pretty much like, I've had Cocoa Puffs before. It's pretty similar. Hold on. What do you guys rather have? These or cereal? I don't know. Both are pretty good. But I'll give you my final review. One more bite. Definitely worth the hype. Super good. I'd have to get the other Reese's Puffs to see if there's any difference. I don't think there is, but just with Travis Scott in the box, I think it makes it better. I'm going to go 8.7 out of 10. Definitely worth the hype. If you find the box for a good price from your local reseller, I would definitely recommend picking these up. But like I said, you always go to your grocery store and pay $3 for this box. Don't get hit over the head buying cereal, guys. That's the video. Peace.